Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been popping up a lot lately, NBKC. Is it a real bank? Well, that's the question we're going to answer today. But before we get into the details, let's take a step back. What do you know about NBKC? Do you have any personal experience with them? If so, feel free to share in the comments below. For those of you who are unfamiliar, NBKC stands for National Bank of Kansas City. It's a relatively new bank that was founded in 2016. They offer a variety of banking services, including checking and savings accounts, credit cards, and loans. So, is NBKC a real bank? Yes, it is. NBKC is a fully licensed and regulated bank by the FDIC. This means that your money is safe and secure with them. But just because NBKC is a real bank doesn't mean that it's a good bank for everyone. There are a few things to consider before you decide to bank with them. Fees. NBKC offers a variety of checking and savings accounts with different fees. Be sure to compare the fees to other banks before you open an account. Interest rates. NBKC's interest rates are competitive, but they're not always the best in the market. Customer service. NBKC has a good reputation for customer service, but it's always a good idea to read reviews before you open an account. In addition to the above, there are a few other things to keep in mind when considering NBKC. They're a relatively new bank. This means that they don't have as much experience as some of the larger, more established banks. They're not available in all states. NBKC is only available in a few states, so you may not be able to bank with them if you live outside of those states. Overall, NBKC is a good bank for many people. They offer a variety of services at competitive prices, and they have a good reputation for customer service. However, it's important to weigh the pros and cons before you decide to bank with them. So, there you have it. NBKC is a real bank that offers a variety of banking services. Whether or not it's a good bank for you will depend on your individual needs and circumstances. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And with that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.